Sundays with Ridan. It's me, Ridan Patel, and today I'm going to read this one festival fairy tales, and this is a very old book. In Swagat Children Library, the students used to read this one. Now I am going to also read this one, and this book is many years ago, and this book is still good and valuable. And today I am going to read the fearless John. You shouldn't be fearful. You have to be fearless like John. And here I go. Once upon a time, there was a very strong and robust boy who claimed he knew no fear. That's why he called him Fearless John. One night, to test his valor, John went to the haunted wood and decided to sleep there. Sleep there. He was not afraid of the silence of solitude of the place. There is a ghost in here. The next day, he went to the castle of terror. Oh no! Terror with the intention of spending 3 nights. Oh shit! What are you doing? Thinking of what things? In it, for however, he did not. That would marry the king's daughter. Ow. On the first night, out came a family of phantoms, but fearless John went for them with a club and sent them fleeing in terror. Oh, look, this big slimy thing. The next night, there appeared an enormous bear who tried to catch fearless John in his jaws, but our hero defended him, leaving the animal vanquished, and squashed him and punched him in the face and fettered within seconds. Dinosaur. The third night, he found himself face to face with a furious dinosaur, but fearless John, using his brain and his powerful fist, made the hideous monster run up and down the back. The fourth, he made it spin around and ran about that immense castle so many items. At last, the dinosaur felt so dizzy and it fell senseless on the ground. Yes. The king heard about the valor of his young man. called Fearless John, and knowing that he had come through all the trials that beset him in the castle of terror, he rewarded him by granting him the hand of his daughter, the beautiful Princess Lily of the Valley. And the story is over. Bye bye. See you next Sunday. Oh, Sunday is with Ridan, and look the page. This is a very old book, so I have to show like this only to you. Look. And look, also this one. So this one. Ah, this is the dinosaur one. Look, the dinosaur. And look, the planktons one and the bear. And the terror castles. There is a ghost and a monster. And here is Fearless John. And I also myself will not be fear. I'll be not fearful. I'll be fearless. Like Fearless John. And he was like this. Very powerful. And this is the greatest book in the world. Festival Fairy Tales. If you have one, if you buy it, it's a very awesome book. You also and your little one read it aloud, and this is a very nice book.